So we're here at the HannsG or HannsG, what do you say?
HannsG. HannsG is the brand for the monitors.
And you're walking around with a monitor. How do you do that?
Yeah, we have a monitor, first time shown here at the IFA, which is purely connected via USB between the notebook.
Connected. That's
it. That's just the USB. The driver, which is necessary to transfer the picture to the monitor, is included in the monitor. So when you hook up for the first time, the driver is automatically downloaded from the monitor's memory. And from this moment on, you can just connect this monitor to your notebook, and you can use it as a dual screen construction. So you can either use two monitors, you can use an expanded desktop, or you can mirror it and maybe show it to somebody else while I am looking on my screen. At my screen.
Pretty cool. Should we try some other mode, like what do you call it? Instead of mirror, we do a dual monitor.
I expand the desktop now. So now we have the side-by-side construction. So here is my screen.
And you could drag the browser over there just to demo. So that's actually pretty awesome. And right now we're using one connector.
One connector only.
Can we try to pull it out?
It's USB 2.0. When I pull it out, for sure, the monitor will turn black.
So this is a USB 3 connector, and there's a second one. Why would you have a second one?
No, it's also working. My notebook is quite old.
Yeah.
It's also working on USB 2.0, but the specification is not 100% meeting the 2.0 standard if you use only one.
For the power output.
For the power output. This is the only thing, power output. I can say the monitor uses less than 9 watts power consumption, which is really, really low, thanks to the LED background light.
So it's an LED backlight?
Yes.
Otherwise it's kind of a standard LCD?
Yes, of course. The technology behind is always the same, but the most important thing is the backlight, which is LED and therefore consumes less energy.
So if your laptop doesn't support enough power with one, you can always use the second one, it's always going to work?
Yes.
And how about the drivers? You have some storage in here and it sends out...
As I said, when you hook up for the first time with this monitor and the computer, it is detected as a new device, and there is a kind of like a USB stick available, and the computer automatically downloads the driver from the monitor. Once the monitor is installed, it turns on and you can immediately use it.
Let's try again the connect and see how long it takes to turn on and copy the screen over. Does a refresh in Windows, and there
we go.
You have your browser right there on the second screen.
Because Windows memorized the position of the browser window.
How much is it going to cost? When is it released?
It will be released in, this is Q2 2012. We still have some work to do. For example, I'm at the moment not 100% satisfied with the hardware construction. As you saw, this is perfect for mobile use, and this monitor is not optimized to be mobile because of the foot stand and so on.
It needs to be more portable.
Yes, I'm thinking of a kind of picture frame foot stand, which makes the monitor more
18.5-inch widescreen.
Yes. Yeah, this is also a kind of limitation, The bigger the screen gets, the more power it consumes. So with 18.5-inch, it is easy to achieve. Not easy. It is achievable. 21.5 will be much more challenging, and even bigger ones is at the moment not possible unless you accept the very low light output.
Nice. And do you think it's expensive technology, or?
No. I assume a price of maybe 149 euros, which is for an 18.5-inch monitor really expensive, but not with such kind of features.
It works on Windows. Do you think it's going to work on Mac and Linux?
Yes. The driver is Display Link is the name, which is already known in the market. and they provide drivers for all kinds of operating systems. So I'm pretty positive that also the other operating systems work well.
All right, thank you.